The idea behind preparing this video is to inform and educate data science aspirants as to how their career trajectory would look like in the future. From what kind of skills they need to equip themselves with to kind of work experience level they need to achieve to apply for specific jobs. This video will cover this entire expanse. This is a one-stop video meant to give a hawk-eye view of potential career trajectory in the emerging tech sector, specifically for the roles of data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, and business intelligence developer. Here, the aspirant will also get an idea of the kind of tools, skills, and capabilities he or she should equip himself or herself with before entering the workforce. If you are a first time visitor to my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a lot of videos on job search strategies, LinkedIn optimization, work from home options in the upcoming videos. So click subscribe and click the bell button so that you get the notification. India is rising and shining bright when it comes to adopting new and emerging technologies. Enterprises from almost all major industry verticals are hiring data science experts to help them garner actionable insights from big data. The analytics sector has witnessed a sharp increase in demand for highly skilled professionals who understand both the business world as well as the tech world. Organizations today are on a constant lookout for such professionals who can fill over this ever growing dearth in talent. The stark reality, however, is that there is a lot of confusion regarding this profession among aspiring professionals. Discussion forums, articles, and blogs are full of queries where these aspirants and job seekers want to actually know what it takes to become a data science professional. Who is a data science professional? The term data scientist is being used rather loosely from analysts to data visualizers and business intelligence experts. All are being termed as data scientists. While this loose knit of a definition is not entirely erroneous, a data scientist can basically be defined as a person who is part mathematician, part computer scientist, and part business trend spotter and is able to straddle both the IT and the business worlds. Data science is now being integrated with industries across all sectors. That's why not only are the data scientists expected to have a broader set of skills, but the employers also expect more cohesive specialization and collaboration. Career prospects. Data science is considered one of the most lucrative jobs in the industry right now. With numerous openings spanning across all sectors, data science jobs are showing only the signs of growth. As more and more companies are adopting data science, companies are hiring data scientists by hordes. However, despite India being a front runner in technical education and research, the demand supply gap for data science jobs versus applicants is only widening. At this point in time, in the analytics ecosystem, 70% of the job postings in this sector are for data scientists with less than 5 years of work experience. The career trajectory for a data scientist is slightly complicated to trace for different reasons. Most of the middle and senior level management with 10 to 15 plus years of work experience started off from software or coding designations since the sector wasn't evolved enough to encompass the designation of a data scientist. However, things are changing now, and the succeeding generations of data scientists will have a more clear idea of their career paths. Career trajectory of a data science professional. Numerous data science aspirants are having trouble in identifying data science profiles and analyzing if their talents suit the job description. Due to the fact that this is a relatively nascent sector, most organizations are rather fluid and creative when it comes to designations and career paths. This is also due to the fact that there is no clear precedence regarding these titles. In this video, we will address the big four designations and their synonyms for data scientists and trace their professional career path. Designation number 1, Data Scientist. A data scientist is the best in any company. That is why this designation is most sought after by professionals these days. Many organizations use these designations as it's easy for aspirants to search for and apply. American mathematician and computer scientist D.J. Patel defined the role of a data scientist as a unique blend of skills that can both unlock the insights of data and tell a fantastic story via the data. In the modern workplace, data scientists also have to build machine learning models for prediction, find patterns and trends in data, visualize data, and even pitch in with the marketing strategies. The skill set which is primary for this role is statistics, mathematics, data modeling, Python or R programming. Secondary skills, database skills, business acumen, visualization, and presentation skills. The corporate ladder should be, for a data scientist, would look something like the following. However, it is to be noted that organizations may rename some designations according to their convenience or in keeping with their corporate ladder structure. Designation number 2, Data Analyst. Organizations usually use this designation to communicate that this role involves more technical knowledge. Some of its synonyms are analytics professional or business analyst. The role of a data analyst revolves around using the company data to generate actionable insights, which then the C-suite can take action upon. Another interesting fact about data analysts is that their projects usually change from time to time. So for 3 months, a data analyst may be working with marketing department and the next may be shifted to production. The primary skill set that is required for this role will be data modeling, Python or R programming, and Tableau. The other secondary skills would be business acumen, database cleaning skills, visualization, and presentation skills. The corporate ladder will be something like, for a data analyst would like something like this following. However, it is to be noted that this designation also has a flexibility for lateral movement towards more specific and niche roles. Designation number 3, Data Engineer. A data engineer is considered as the backbone of any big organization. Companies usually hire data engineers to channel their talents towards software development. The role as a data engineer works with the organization's core data infrastructure. This role requires a deep knowledge of programming skills. In most organizations, a data engineer is responsible for building data pipelines and correcting the data flow to make sure the information reaches the relevant departments. The primary skill sets which is required for this role are database management, data cleaning, Python or R programming, and Hadoop. The other skill sets would be business acumen, database cleaning skills, visualization, and presentation skills. The corporate ladder for a data engineer would look like something the following. As this role is more niche and central to the organization, lateral movement is very uncommon. However, for the same reason, this job is the most impervious to layoffs. Designation number 4, Business Intelligence Developer. A business intelligence developer in any organization is considered as a sort of jack of all trades who basically has to have a firm grasp on the fundamentals of analytics as well as the IT department as a whole. A computer scientist's role has a lot of overlaps with key functions including data science, programming, and data architectures, among others. This role has greater impetus on technical rather than analytical skills and requires advanced knowledge of all popular machine learning techniques. The primary skill set for this particular role are Python or R programming, Hadoop, creating models, Notebook, GitHub, data modeling, etc. The other skills which is required are business acumen and visualization. The corporate ladder for a computer engineer would be look something like the following. As this role has purview over almost all the other departments, especially digital and emerging tech, there is also a great chance for lateral movement in the organization. The next step for aspiring data scientist. With data science and analytics becoming an important part of most organizations, the subject has attracted wide attention among IT professionals and engineering graduates. They are clearly keen to build a strong base in this upcoming field. The interdisciplinary application of data science, analytics, programming, and coding has led to a surge in interest among students from the STEM background who are looking to improve skills and gain a deep understanding of big data and its business applications. In fact, according to a research, 71.6% of the respondents said that they want to study data science via online mode of education. If you have any questions on a data science career path, please provide the comments below.